Hello all, my name is Ashish Khare and again welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I would like to share my one another life learning which is very important for every one of us, right? The thing is, the key learning is time management, right? And time management, we all know it is very important for us, right? Most of the people they want to achieve their jobs. They want to go in favorite places, and they want to deliver the project at the right time, right, to the clients if they are working. But and also they want to get sleep properly, right? They want enough sleep also. But most of the cases they are failing. Why? And they will blame like we don't have proper time, we have limited time, so they are blaming the time. See, I would like to tell you one thing here. Everyone having the same time, like you have 24 hours, I am having 24 hours, everyone having 24 hours, right? One day. So in one day, how you are managing your time, that is more important. You should not blame the time, because everyone in the within the time, in the 24 hours only, someone can achieve the things better as compared to you, as compared to me. So why we are failing here? Because we are not managing our time, we are not making a time management properly. So this is the things where we are all we are failing, right? So we should make it effective time management. So what do you mean by effective time management? So the effective time management is nothing but the proper time management which from starting to end we have proper plan, proper strategy, what we want to achieve, what we want to do. We have one to-do list. Like suppose we have one to-do list within the time frame, like from starting onwards, like for morning 9 to till 7 we have this much work, and we have to complete this work in within the time frame, right? So this is effective time management, right? From the starting to end, we have proper plan, we have proper strategy, how we are going to start and how we are going to end. So this is the effective time management. Suppose let's take one let's take one real life example. Like suppose you are waking up morning, early morning, suppose 5 o'clock. From 5 o'clock to suppose you get up ready, right? You achieved one task you have done, like morning 5 a.m. and then some exercise, pranayams, meditation, everything has been set, right? You have to set first what is and we are failing, and we are telling like we have limited time, how can we achieve it? See, you have to first, what you need to do, you have to set your proper proper vision, proper goals, proper visions, and clear cut thoughts, so that you will be able to manage your time. Otherwise you will not manage your time. Let's take one if we are managing our time properly, if we are managing our time properly, what are the key key points for time management, if we are where they are helping us, and what is the importance of time management? So the first thing is, it will help you to organize the things, right? And you will get motivated for yourself as well, right? You will have plans to do, you will have a strategy to do, you will have see, you can change your lifestyle as well if you manage your time very properly. Because everyone have very limit very everyone have the same time like you. You will have a good decision maker, you can become a good decision maker if you manage your time very properly. There are a lot of learnings are there which you can achieve it by this prioritize the things in organized manner. This is also one key learning. If we manage our time, and we can get promoted as well in different organization in the organization if we suppose we are working it. And from morning to till night, whatever we are doing, we can just manage the things like so that we can achieve it in very less time as well. The same thing if we are I mean, suppose initially we were blaming like we will not achieve, we will not get the things done properly. So if we properly manage and properly planned it, right, so we can achieve it very effectively as well. This is my experience from 3 to 4 months back. From there I'm experiencing it very different things like organized manner. Whatever I'm doing right now, it is just proper organized way, like from morning onwards to till night. Whatever I am doing, just in very planned. From like morning wake up, meditation, pranayams, exercise, and my action hours, what I want to achieve in my life, that practice daily I'm doing. I'm making my to-do list for what I want to do, right? And this is very important. This is very important. I have seen myself as a different person. Like what I need, what I have done. I just made my day. I just made my time to in organized way, and everything has been coming properly day by day, right? So this is the things which I wanted to share with you all. Stay tuned with me. Thanks for watching my channel. Again, I will come up with new life learning, and I will share with you all. Thanks for staying with me. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Have a good day.